Here is a comprehensive conceptual guide and practice module for bank PO and SSC serial CHSL exams. Okay, so here the chapter is speed, distance, and time related to speed, distance, and time. So you have to watch the previous chapter before studying this. So that you can learn it very so that you can learn it. Hello, am I audible? I think I'm not audible. Let me check. Hello, am I audible right now? Am I audible right now? Please tell me. Anyone confirm me, please. Am I audible? Hey, 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 hey. Please tell me. Okay, let me check. So, am I audible right now? Please confirm if I am audible and visible. I can see I am visible, but don't know am I audible or not. Let me check. Am I audible right now? Yes, now I am audible. So, welcome back to my channel. So, today I am going to explain problem on trains. Okay, so this is a comprehensive conceptual guide and practice module for bank, PO, and PO or clerk, and SSC, CTL, and CHSL exam. Okay, so you have to learn first speed, time, and distance chapter. So I have explained these chapters in my previous video. So go and watch this video. Not right now. Okay, you have to watch this from this class. So that you can learn every single thing and excuse me, and you will understand everything. Okay. So this is very important, and this is related to speed, time, and distance. This chapter also related to speed, time, and distance. So you have to learn first what is speed, what is time, what is distance, and how they related. Okay. So now I am going to explain what is the concept and what formulas are there. Okay. So fundamental concepts. I am just extending my screen. So fundamental concept and formulas. Okay, problems on train are a key subtopic: speed, time, speed, distance, and time. I have previously told you. Okay, I have told you this portion. So this is the subtopic of speed, distance, and time. That's why I'm telling you that you have to learn this part, and I have explained this in my previous videos. So go and watch this video. Okay. If you did not watch, okay, watch after this video, this live session. Okay. So the fundamental relation remains unchanged. Fundamental relation means speed equals to distance by time. So what is speed here? Speed means how how fast you go. That is called speed. And distance means how far you go. That is distance. And time. What is time? In how in a distance covered by how much speed. That is called time. Okay. So distance, time, and speed. This is very related to each other. Okay. Or one another. Distance, speed, and time is related to one another. So speed equals to here is the here is the formula. So speed equals to distance by time. This is one formula. Okay, and distance equals to we can get distance equals to speed into time. So speed distance equals to speed into time. Okay. Now time equals to what? So time equals to distance by speed. So remember these rules. Okay, this is very vital rule, and also you have to understand the concept. Okay, unit conversion. So how do we convert? Sorry, transform kilometer per hour to meter per second. So 1 kilometer, we know 1 kilometer per hour. Okay, equals to 1 kilometer means 1000 meter. Okay, I'm just typing it so that you can better understand. Okay. So 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter, you can say. Okay. And which will be divided by, which will be divided by 1 hour means 300, sorry, 3600 second. Okay. So this is 1000 meter divided by 3600 second. So this means so 0 and these two zeros will be cancelled. These two zeros will be cancelled, and if we eliminate it by 2, then we will get 5. So 5 times 2, that is 10. 2 times 5, and 2 times 18, that is 36. Okay. So the final answer is 5 divided by 18. 5 divided by 18 meter per second. So if we 5 divided by 18, sorry, 18, typing into meter per second. So this is 5 by this is 18 meter per second. So if we convert kilometer per hour to meter per second, then it will be multiplied by 5 by 18. Okay, and to convert from meter per second to kilometer per hour, multiply it by 18 by 5. Okay, so here's the example. If 72 kilometer per hour equals to 72 into 5 by 18 meter per second, that means 20 meter per second. And 25 meter per second is equals to 25 into 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. That means 19 kilometer per hour. Okay, so this is the conversion formula. So if we convert from kilometer per hour to meter per second, then multiply it by 5 by 18. And if you want to convert from meter per second to kilometer per hour, then multiply it by 18 by 5. This is the formula. Okay. And how we get this formula? I have explained this here. Okay. Now we are moving to the next part. Relative speed rules. Relative speed. When what is relative speed? Train is moving towards each other. A is 3 kilometer per hour. A speed is 30 kilometer per hour. Okay. And this is 50 kilometer per hour. Then if they are moving towards each other, then their speed will be added. Okay. That means this is 30 and this is 50. So the relative speed is 80 kilometer per hour. Okay. This is 30 and this is 50. So add their speed. Okay. And if objects moving in the same direction, like this, like this, okay, A train is moving towards this and B train is also moving towards this direction. So then you have to subtract their speed. So if a train is moving towards this side and the speed of this train is 50 kilometer per hour and the speed of the other train is 30 kilometer per hour, then you have to subtract their speed. So 50 minus 30, that is the relative speed is 20 kilometer per hour. Okay, so now I am highlighting this so that you can better understand. Okay. So relative speed in opposite direction, then speeds are added, and relative speed when in the same direction, then they are subtracted. Okay. Now we are moving to the next part, standard exam scenarios and distance formulas. Okay. So this is a table. I have made this table for you so that you can easily memorize or understand every single thing. Okay. Now, train crossing stationary point object like pole, standing man, single post. Okay. This is like if this is a pole and this is train. So if the train is crossing this plane, okay, this is stationary thing. Like this is pole, a man, it can be a single post. Okay. So if a train crossing stationary point, then D distance equals to distance covered. That means D equals to length of the train. So object length is negligible. So in this case, the object of this pole, sorry, the length of this pole will be negligible. Okay, so we have to avoid the length of this object if the train crossing stationary point object. Okay, now effective speed and time formula. In this case, the time is equals to length of the train divided by speed of the train. Okay, so this is the basic thing. So this is something like basic thing. Okay, now if we think about the other method like train crossing stationary object with length, if this train is crossing stationary object with length, like this is platform. Suppose this is a platform, okay, and this train is crossing like this. Okay, so this platform has a length. This platform has a length. It can be a platform object with length. So it can be a platform, a bridge, a tunnel, okay, a stationary train. Now, if a train is crossing a platform, then distance covered is equals to D equals to length of the train plus length of the object. So distance means length of this train. This train, okay, length of this train and length of this object. Okay, now in this case, time is equals to length of the train plus length of the object divided by speed of the train. Time equals to time means what? Distance by speed. Okay, so distance covered, total distance means length of the train, and length of the object. It can be a platform, it can be a bridge, can be a tunnel, and it can be a stationary train. Okay, so in this case, the formula is time equals to length of train plus length of object divided by speed of train. Okay, so now we are moving to the third method. So in case number 3, train crossing moving person opposite direction. Train crossing moving person in opposite direction. Okay. So if a train is crossing, this is a person. Okay. Opposite direction means if it if a person is moving towards this and if a train is moving towards this, so this is opposite direction. Okay, you can say this like this also. Okay, so in this case, distance b distance covered is equals to length of train because this is negligible. This length is negligible. A person, or a living being things. Okay, that means the length of this thing is negligible. So in this case, time means formula is time equals to length of the train divided by speed of the train plus speed of the man. So speed, this man is moving towards this and this train is moving towards this. Okay, so speed is equals to speed of the train, total speed is speed of the train and speed of the man. Okay, and which will be so total speed. So time equals to length of the train. This is length of the train because this length is negligible. Okay, so we have to avoid this length. And so in this case, time is length of the train and speed of the train and speed of the man. Okay, length of the train divided by speed of the train plus speed of the man. So opposite direction, in opposite direction. This is in opposite direction. Okay, and train crossing moving person. Train crossing moving person. Same direction. If a train is going towards this direction, and a moving person is also going towards this direction. Same direction. Okay, same direction as the train. Then, then the formula. So distance covered equals to distance means length of the train because this is a very small length. So this length is negligible. Okay. So we have to avoid the length of the person. So in this case, they are moving towards same direction. So same direction means we have to subtract the speed. Okay. So in this case, time equals to length of the train. Okay. This is the length of the train because this length is negligible. This length is negligible. Okay. So length of the train and total speed equals to speed of the train minus speed of the man. Okay. So speed of the train minus speed of the man. So this train and this man is moving towards same direction. So in this case, we have to subtract the speed. Okay. So this is the formula. Please remember this formula. Now, now we are moving to the case number 5. In this case, okay, so two train crossing each other, opposite direction. Opposite direction means it can be either this, okay, or it can be either this. It can be opposite direction. Two trains, this is a train and this is a train. Two train are crossing each other, okay, in opposite direction. So it can be like this and it can be like this. Okay. So in this case, distance is equals to length 1, L1 plus L2. So distance covered means length of the first train and length of the second train. Okay. And in this case, time is equals to time. Time is equals to length of the train, first train, and length of the second train divided by speed of the first train plus speed of the second train. So because they are opposite direction, so speed of their train, sorry, speed of this train will be added. Okay. And now we are moving to the case number 6. So case number 6. Two train crossing each other same direction. So same direction. Two trains, like if a train is going 30 km per hour like this direction and another train is crossing going 50 km per hour in the same direction. Okay. So after some time it will be touch here. Okay, it will be come here. So in this case, distance covered is, excuse me, please hold on. Sorry, student, for this distraction. Okay, now hmm, two trains crossing each other. Okay, so distance covered, in this case, distance covered is length of first train and length of the second train. Okay, right, like this. So in this case, time is equals to length of first train divided by S1 minus S2. That means this is 50 and this is 30. So S1 is this one, 50, and this is 30 kilometer per hour. Okay. Now, hello. In this case, so now we are moving to the case number 7. Okay. So faster train crossing a person sitting in a slower train. This is faster train and this is slower train. and in this train a person is sitting. Okay, so in this case d equals to length of faster train. So distance covered is equals to length of faster train. As this train is, as a person is sitting here, so length of this person is negligible. Okay, length of the short train is ignored because a person is sitting there. Faster train crossing a person sitting in a slow train. So time, in this case, the time, formula of time is t equals to length of faster train, length of this faster train, and divided by s1 plus minus s2. So plus means when these are in same direction. Sorry, these are in opposite direction. So speed of this two train is speed of this two train will be added. Okay, and if they are in same direction, then speed of this train will be subtracted. Okay, so just remember this table, and you can solve any problem within seconds. Okay. Pro tips for bank. This is, you don't have to remember this portion. Okay. Now we are moving to some problem, practice problem, basic to advanced level. Okay. Now we are going to solve this type of question. A train 180 meters long is running at a uniform speed of 54 kilometers per hour. Okay, so a train 180 meters long. So length of the train is 180 meters. Is running at a uniform speed of 54 kilometers per hour. Uniform speed means always going 50 kilometers per hour. Uniform speed. Okay. So how much time will it take to cross a platform of length 270 meters? So this is the platform. Suppose this is the platform. Okay. This is a platform. Okay. And a train is moving. This is, suppose this is a train. Okay. This is a train. Okay. Moving towards this direction. So moving towards this direction. So the length of the train is 180 meters. Okay, this is 180 meters, and platform. The length of the platform is 270 meters. 270 meters. Okay. If we draw this picture, or if we can imagine this scenario, then we can easily solve this question. Okay. So this is the length of the train is 180 meters, and the length of the platform is 270 meters. Okay. Now this train is going or running. Okay, running at 54 km per hour towards this direction. Okay, this direction. So we have to find out how much time will it take to cross this platform, which is 270 meters of length. Okay, so we know T equals to time. Time equals to, in this case, the distance covered means length of the platform divided by length of this platform and length of this train. So distance, total distance is 270 plus 180 meters. Okay. 270 meters plus 180 meters. So this is the total length or distance covered. Total distance covered by this train is 180 meters plus 170, sorry, 270 meters. Okay, so this is the total distance covered by this train. Now, speed. This is distance. Time equals to distance by speed. Okay. Now, how much? 50 kilometer per hour. So we have to convert it into meter per second. So 54 kilometer per hour means kilometer to meter per second. That means we have to multiply it with 5 by 18. 5 divided by 18. Okay. 5 divided by 18. So 18 times 3. That means 54. So 3 times 18 or 18 times 3. That means 54. So 5 times 3. That means 15. So this is 54 kilometer per hour. That means 15 meter per second. Okay. This is 15 meter per 15 meter per second. Okay. Now this is total distance covered by this train. That is 270 meters plus 180 meters. It means okay. Oh, so and time means distance covered by speed. So speed of the train is 15 meter per second. So this is divided by 15 meter per second. Okay, this is the time. So what will be the unit of this time? Simply second. The unit of this time will be second, in second. Okay. So 270 plus 180. It means if we give 30 to 270, then it will be 300. Okay. So 300 and subtract 30 from this. That means 150. That means 300 and 150. That means 450. 450 divided by 15 second. 450, okay, divided by 15 second. 15 second. So which means 30 second. Okay. So it will take 30 second to cross a platform of length 270 meters. 30 second is the right answer. 30 second. Okay. So did you understand? Is it understandable? Let me know. I will solve the rest of this question tomorrow, okay? Because I have some work to do, so I'm not able to solve this problem today. So I will solve this tomorrow. I will upload this PDF on my Telegram channel. So join there. I have uh, I have given the link of this channel in the homepage of my YouTube channel. Okay, so go my YouTube's homepage and join in my Telegram channel and practice these questions so that you can boost your level up. Okay, so level up by solving this question. And if you want to help me, I have mentioned a QR code here in the right corner of this video. You can help there. Okay, obviously you can pay there if you want. So give me the feedback in the comment section how you enjoyed this video and do a like and do a share if you can. Okay. And always have a positive attitude, okay, in your life. God bless you. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Good night.